If you love taking notes in Google Keep like I do, you're going to be excited. Google Keep on the web just got a major upgrade. Now you can use rich text formatting like bold, italics, underline, and headings. Today I'll show you exactly how to use these new tools to make your notes clearer, more organised, and easier to read. First, head over to keep.google.com and open a note or create a new one. You'll notice a new formatting toolbar. Here you can click buttons to bold, italicize, or underline your text. You can also choose from different heading styles to structure your notes. Just highlight the text you want to format, then click the style you want to apply. This is super helpful when you want to scan your notes quickly or keep everything neat and easy to understand. If you're managing projects, studying, or just jotting down ideas, these formatting tools make a big difference. Alright, that's a quick look at the rich text formatting in Google Keep on web. If you found that helpful, please like and subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a tech